Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Atomic Heart is having opens game service in the Microsoft Store when you are trying to play the game on the store or in the Xbox app, and how we can fix this app. This is happening for many of the users. When they're trying to play the game, they get a gaming service install error, which is happening for many users, and how we can completely fix this app. So let's move to the workaround. So what we have to do is just follow the instruction, and the first one is all about we have to install gaming services. That is what we have to do. For that we have to go over here, go to Microsoft Store, open this. Now once you open this, you have to search for gaming services. At the top, search for gaming services. So just go over here and search for gaming services, then install it. That is what you have to do as the first step. Install the gaming services, and after installing this, you have to fine with this. Once you're done with this one, installing the gaming services over here, we have to move to the next one. Next one is all about we have to repair and reset the gaming services. For that, we just have to go over here in the search. We have to go for settings, open this. Now from here, go to apps. Now click on installed apps. From here, we have to search over here gaming services. Now click on this one, go to advanced option. Now go to this, click on repair option as the first one. Now once it is done, we have to click on reset. When you reset can also be done. This will permanently delete the app's data on the device, including your preferences. Keep in mind this. And once you're done with the restart, just go back to the game, and you have to go back to the game and try to play it. Next one is all about we have to open the Microsoft Store like this, and we have to make sure that all updates are done. For that, we just have to go to the store like this, go to library at the bottom. Now from here, as you can see at the top, we are having this one that is called get updates. Just update, click on get update. Now when you click on get update, you just have to wait for it and up to date everything, and that is what you have to do. This is also an important step which you have to try out. Next one is we have to uninstall and reinstall. We have to uninstall and reinstall the gaming services, which can be done using Powershell. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy a few things over here. So for uninstalling the gaming services, we have the first command, this one. We have to copy this command, so I'll be giving in the description. You don't have to worry. So just go over here, search for PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. Okay, not like this. We have to search it once again, or click over here, and don't forget to run this as an administrator. Now paste the first command. Then we just have to press enter. And once it is done, we have to move to the next one. That is for first command is for uninstalling the game service. Next one is for installing the game service. So here we have to press this command. Once the first is done, we have to use the next command. We have to go to Windows PowerShell, run this as an administrator, and we have to paste the command. Press enter. Now that will open the Microsoft Store like this. Okay, and now we have to install the gaming services once again. So first thing, from the command, what we did is we just uninstalled this, as you can see. Now this command is for uninstalling it. Second command is for installing it back. And when you run the second command, you will be redirected to Microsoft Store like this. And from here, we have to install the gaming services, and this is what you have to do. After this is successfully done, it is completely done. We just have to move to the next one. That is all about we have to make few changes in the registry. For that, we have to go over here, type registry editor, open this. Now over here, as you can see, I have done few things in the past, so all those things are open here. So I'm closing it once again, and this is how it basically looks like. So from here, we have to go to HKey local machine. Then first one, we have to expand this, then go for system. We have to go for system. Now from here, we have to go to current control set, expand this. Then from here, we have to go to services. Now from here we have to go to gaming services. go to gaming services. Okay, now we are having gaming services. Now we just have to select this one, go for delete and delete it. This is what we have to do. Simultaneously, same method, go like this, HKey local machine system over here. As you can see, gamingservice.net, right? We have to delete this also. So here I'm in the same path, so I'm deleting from here itself. Delete it. Okay, once it is deleted, just close everything. And once you deleted or made these changes over here, this is very mandatory to do a restart. So no matter what, you should be doing the restart, or else the issue will be it should not be fixed. So after this, go over here, go for a restart. This is very important. And after this is done, we have to do one more thing. Now we have to install the the gaming services. So I have to copy this particular command. Then I have to go over here in the PowerShell. I have to run it as an administrator. So I have to paste it first, press enter. It is done. Now I have to copy the next command, that is to install gaming services over here. So you have to go to the PowerShell once again, press this, press enter. So now it is redirected to the Microsoft Store, and now they are asking to install it once again. Go for install option over here. So when you do this, the issue will be completely fixed. So these are the possible workarounds that you have to try out. Once it is successfully done, you have to go back to the store and when try to play the atomic heart, and you will not be having this error and it getting retry. So I have to try it once again. I don't know why. So this is how you can fix this, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.